Hi, this is Dr. White from George Mason University. In this video, we're going to learn how to create basic graphs with a function called qplot. Let's do a quick refresher on functions. We've already learned about these. They're bits of code that are written and reusable, that take some inputs and give you an output. It just so happens that lots of people have written functions that will create graphs for us. All we have to do is supply the inputs that customize that graph. In this module, we're going to learn about a function called qplot. Here's a very simple example. We supply three parameters to the qplot function: x, y, and data. Hopefully, if you know a little bit about graphs, you might be able to guess what these refer to. Maybe x and y refer to the x and y axes of the graph, and maybe data refers to where the data is coming from that we're going to use to create this graph. And sure enough, if we run that bit of code, this is the graph that we get. In our code, we said x equals height, and in the graph, we see that the x-axis is called height. Similarly, the y-axis is called mass. This might make a bit more sense if we look at the Star Wars dataset that's been used to create this. Star Wars is a dataset in R that contains data about characters in the Star Wars universe. Each row in the data frame is a character in the Star Wars universe. There are many different columns of data about each of these characters. Two of them are height and mass. So we can use this data frame and tell qplot which columns we want it to convert into a graph.